name is Archit Jain from Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology, BTech Triple E, third year. I have taken the course of MERN Full Stack from Brain Mentors, and before I have taken the course, I did not know the languages like JavaScript, React, and so on. But after the course, I can understand CSS, JavaScript, React, and this helped me a lot because I can become a web developer in future. And opinion on the course and the rating of the course, I would suggest is 9 out of 10. Sir, the teacher that I taught with, Mr. Srivastav, he was very good and he was very comforting. He helped me a lot to understand if I had any doubt. He did answer me and he helped me a lot, and thank you.